Hi, I'm Penny from SmartFinancial. Let's go over the steps to take when shopping for life insurance. Number 1. Determine whether you need life insurance. Generally, most people need life insurance if they have dependents relying on their income. Number 2. Decide how much coverage you need. Experts recommend securing a death benefit that is 10 to 30 times your salary, but you may want more or less coverage depending on your circumstances. Number 3. When comparing policies, pay attention to factors like how the death benefit is paid to your beneficiaries and whether the policy comes with restrictions like a waiting period. Number 4. Figure out what kind of policy you need. Term life insurance is cheap but temporary, while permanent life insurance is more expensive but lasts your whole life and accumulates cash value over time. Number 5. If you want extra coverage, look for life insurance riders to enhance your policy. Number 6. Find an insurance company with good reviews, a strong financial strength rating, and other perks like discounts. Number 7. Fill out an application and give the insurer your personal, health, and contact information. Number 8. If applicable, take steps to improve your health in preparation for a medical exam. Number 9. Review the details of your policy and pay your first premium to activate your coverage. Need help finding the right policy? Click the link in the description box below for a free life insurance quote.